Hey folks, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you Walmart promo codes. So in order to find the Walmart promo codes, the website that I'm currently using is called groupon.com. So you can come to this website and over here you can simply search for your current country and then you can simply search for Walmart. After that it will show you all of the available and working promo codes on Walmart, like you can get $30 off, $10 off and 55 $65 off, etc. deals. So you just have to simply select the offer in which you are interested. Let's say I want to get this coupon code, so I simply click on the C code option and then as you can see that it has given me this coupon code. So you just have to copy this code from here and it has given you some of the instructions that you can use this Walmart promo code to get $10 off your on your first 3 Walmart grocery orders of $50 or more. So you just have to simply click on shop now and then you will be redirected on Walmart. Over here you just have to select the grocery items and make the cart value of $50. After that, at the time of checkout you just have to simply use this promo code and this way you will be able to get the $10 of discount. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.